Hi everyone, so this is a little video that I've put together about my day at the beach last week. It was quite a nice day, wasn't too hot, wasn't too cold, so we decided to take my friend's daughter to the beach. It's my first time going to the beach in many years because I didn't really go on holidays or anything when I lived at home. So yeah, I really hope you enjoy this. I've recently moved to South Wales and I live right by the coast, so it's absolutely lovely and I can go to the beach whenever I want, so I can make a life for myself and my little boy here. So I hope you enjoy the video and have a wonderful day whatever you're doing, and remember, always be more kind.
In a world that has decided that it's going to lose its mind, be more kind, my friends, try to be more kind.